Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these YWTESCH spool heads compared to the Worx. So here's the 2-pack of Worx. You get these extra spools with string already on them, model number WA004. And we've got the Worx 20-volt string trimmer. So here is the ones that come from Worx, we can see. But what I like about this, you get a bunch of spools. They all have string on them. And you get some extra covers too. You get 3 extra covers. But let's just compare the two. Now the Worx are going to be identical to the ones in there. So let's take this cover off. You don't get any cover with the Worx replacement spools, but typically you don't need those covers. So let's take this off. Yours may not have string on it, and it's time to put a new one with string on. So let's compare the two. We can see this one is a little bit different color, but looks like it's going to work exactly the same. It has a bottom side, which is the gear side, and they both have 10 feet of 0.065 inch string on them. So let's take this one and let's look at the covers. Here's the one that comes with the weed eater. And then here's the other one. It's a different color, but it fits on there just right. It fits like it was made for it. So, all right, let's take this one here. This is the one from YWTESCH. And let's put it on. You're going to unwind about that much, okay? You can put it back in the groove or just kind of hold it to put the gear side down. Well, actually, first feed it through. I'm sorry. Feed it through, hold it, make sure it doesn't unwind, and just kind of push down, line it up, push down. It's going to stay put. Now let's take the cover that came with the YWTESCH, put the cover on, and now it's ready to go. Pull the trigger. Let's feed some string. Yeah, it's working good. Every time I pull the trigger here, every time I pull the, I start it and then I push that button, it lets about a 1/4 inch of string out every time I push that button. But no, this one's gonna work. They both work great. I'm glad I got a whole bunch of these in this kit. That way I can take my time. They all come with string on them. And then when these are all out of string, I can just take my time and wind them all up with string. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.